Are you tired of the mess and ready for a change? I'm professional organizer Jenny Morin, and I help homeowners and offices get their stuff organized. That saves you time, energy, and money. Here's what you'll gain from working with me. 1. You'll be free from clutter. 2. You'll have more time and energy for your family or your team at work. Because 3. You'll be able to find everything you need quickly and efficiently in your new system and experience peace of mind. If you've been thinking about getting organized, click the button to take the quiz and see if now is the time. Don't live another day in the mess. Working with me will help bring your life in order. Call me now and let's get started. I look forward to hearing from you.